Please refer to the specific model after it has been disassembled. If the car key is out of power, you can change it yourself, saving money and time. This video lets you know how easy it is. Prepare a set of small sticks and a small screwdriver for replacement. Avoid damaging the car key during the process. Locate the lock button on the back of the key. Pull out the mechanical key while holding down the button. Locate the screws on the inside. Unscrew the screws with a small screwdriver. Insert the small stick into the side shell groove. Remove the shell on both sides. Insert the small stick into the inner groove. Open the back cover. Gently detach the battery. Durable and does not damage the car key. The cover is back to the back panel. Snap back the shells on both sides. Tighten the screws. Retrieve the mechanical key again. In this way, the key was resurrected with full blood.